morning students, this is Atul from Gateway School and this is the last video of this chapter, Federalism. In this video we will discuss steps have been taken to make the local government more efficient. Okay. So in this chapter we will discuss how one can say that the steps have been taken and why it is necessary to take steps towards the decentralization to make the local government, to make the three-tier of system, three-tier of government bodies to make more efficient and more powerful. Okay, so let's start this point. Steps have been taken to make the local government more efficient. The first one is to hold regular election to local government bodies. Second, seats are reserved in the electoral bodies for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. So this stands mean scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Scheduled caste, those people who are socially, educationally and economically backward caste, and those who are considered untouchables, they are known as scheduled caste, and those people who are socially, economically, educationally backward class and living in the tribal areas are known as scheduled tribes. So there are three kind of backward class: OBC, SC and ST. Okay, 1/3 of position are reserved for women. So these positions are reserved for women in the electoral bodies, in the third tier of government bodies like municipalities and Panchayati Raj institutions. A state election commission has been created to conduct Panchayat and municipal elections. Okay, the state election commission. So I would remind you that there are two election commission bodies. One is the Election Commission of India and another is a State Election Commission. The working condition of the Election Commission of India is to conduct election for the post of President, Vice President, Parliament and Legislature. On the other hand, the working condition of the State Election Commission to conduct the election for the municipalities as well as the Panchayat elections. Okay. And the fifth is to share some power and revenue with local government. To share some power and revenue with local government. Clear? So steps have been taken to make the local government more efficient, more powerful, to hold regular election to local government bodies, and who conduct election for the local government bodies? A State Election Commission. So a State Election Commission is responsible to conduct election for the Panchayat election as well as municipal elections. Clear? Seats are reserved in the electoral bodies for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. So you can ask a question कि सर क्यों जरूरी है यहाँ पे उनके लिए रिजर्व सीट, उनके लिए scheduled caste and scheduled tribes के लिए electoral bodies, the third tier of the government, the पंचायत and municipalities में यहाँ पे उनके लिए रिजर्वेशन की क्या जरूरत है? तो वो रिजर्वेशन की जरूरत इसलिए है क्योंकि उनकी संख्या कम है और डेमोक्रेसी में रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो सभी का रिप्रेजेंटेशन होना चाहिए और जब सभी का रिप्रेजेंटेशन तभी हो पाएगा जब सभी लोग इक्वली आ पाएंगे. लेकिन इनके पास सोशली इकोनॉमिकली लोग बैकवर्ड है, एजुकेशनली बैकवर्ड है, इसलिए हमने इनको मौका दिया है कि हमें इन्हें चांस दिया है, उनके साथ पावर शेयर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो दैट कि ये अपने रिप्रेजेंटेशन को, ये अपनी बात को रख पाए रिप्रेजेंटेशन के थ्रू. क्लियर है? So seats are reserved in the electoral bodies. Which kind of electoral bodies? Panchayat and municipalities. Panchayat at the rural local government and municipalities is the urban local government. So seats are reserved in the electoral bodies for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. 1/3 of position are reserved for women. 33% seats are reserved, you know that, for women in the Panchayat and municipalities. A State Election Commission has been created to conduct election for the municipalities and Panchayat election only. The State Election Commission is not responsible to conduct the election for the post of President, Vice President, Parliament and State Legislature. Okay? It is only responsible to conduct the Panchayat and municipal election. Only the Election Commission of India is responsible to conduct election for the post of President, Vice President, Parliament and State Legislature. And to share some power. So who are sharing some power and revenue with their local government? A state. A state government is responsible to share some power and revenue with the local government bodies. Why? क्योंकि अगर ये रेवेन्यू और पावर शेयर करेगा तभी तो वो इफिशिएंटली इफेक्टिवली काम कर पाएगा, क्योंकि स्टेट के अंदर ही तो आ रहा है लोकल गवर्नमेंट, विलेज कहाँ आ रहा है, स्टेट के अंदर आ रहा है, तो पावर किसका शेयर होगा, स्टेट का होगा, सेंट्रल का भी होगा लेकिन स्टेट का ज्यादा होगा क्योंकि वो स्टेट से आता है। क्लियर है? सो दीज आर द पॉइंट्स, these are the steps. This question can also be asked in your examination, that is which steps have been taken to make the local government more efficient and more powerful. You can answer a question, you can respond by saying this: steps have been taken to make the local government more efficient, that to hold regular election to local governmental bodies, seats are reserved in the electoral bodies for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, 1/3 of position are reserved for women, and State Election Commission has been created to conduct election for the panchayat and municipalities to share some power and revenue with the local government bodies. Clear? I hope कि ये सारा पॉइंट्स आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा। ये चैप्टर यहीं पे कंप्लीट हो गया। किसी भी तरह का कोई डाउट हो तो उसे जरूर पूछिएगा और इसके सारे के सारे नोट्स कर लीजिएगा, इस चैप्टर का पूरा क्वेश्चन आंसर कर लीजिएगा, एक एक पॉइंट्स को डिस्कस कर लेंगे हम लोग बाद में। फिर जब भी आपको दिक्कत होगा, जब भी प्रॉब्लम होगा, उसको लिख लीजिएगा और होमवर्क जरूर बना लीजिएगा इसका। ठीक है? थैंक यू क्लास।